Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to install free VPN on your Realme GT Neo 3 device. So firstly, open your Play Store and find here Turbo VPN application. Install it. Click Open, click Agree and Continue, click on the cross in the left top corner, and cool. Here you will see the globe. By clicking on this button, you can see the list of countries you can connect to. For example, if you want to connect to Germany, just click on the Germany, click on the free server, for example, Frankfurt server, click OK, wait a while, and cool, we are connected to Germany VPN servers. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.